Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. Today we're diving into a machine that doesn't need flash, doesn't chase trends, and doesn't pretend to be something it's not. The 2026 Suzuki DR200SE is a bike that quietly earns respect by being exactly what it promises: a capable, trustworthy dual-purpose motorcycle that feels just as comfortable on a busy city street as it does on a rugged dirt track or a winding country road. On Bike Culture Hub, we've seen countless motorcycles that chase peak horsepower numbers, aggressive styling, and complex electronic packages. While those bikes have their place, the DR200SE reminds us that there's immense value in simplicity, reliability, and pure, usable performance that works in the real world. This bike isn't about impressing strangers or topping spec sheets, it's about giving riders a dependable companion that can handle nearly anything life throws at it. Right out of the gate, you notice its presence. There's a rugged, purposeful look to the DR200SE that immediately communicates its intentions. The exposed frame, spoked wheels, high-mounted fenders, and tall stance all give it a purposeful appearance. Nothing on this bike is merely decorative. Every element serves a function, and that's the beauty of it. For riders who prioritize reliability and practicality over flashy designs or gimmicky electronics, this approach feels refreshing. The bike doesn't need to shout to get attention, it earns it simply by being ready for action. Beneath the minimalist bodywork lies a 199 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled, four-stroke engine. At first glance, this engine may seem modest compared to the high-revving multi-cylinder engines you'll find in sport bikes or large adventure machines. But there's something beautifully honest about it. It doesn't overwhelm you with raw power. Instead, it delivers smooth, predictable, and confidence-inspiring performance. Whether you're commuting through traffic, overtaking slower vehicles on open roads, or tackling light trails, the engine responds with enough grunt to get the job done without ever feeling intimidating. For new riders, this is a huge confidence booster. For experienced riders, it's a reminder that not every ride needs to be about speed or adrenaline, sometimes it's about control, consistency, and enjoying the journey. This engine is paired with a 5-speed transmission that offers crisp, positive shifts. It isn't overly slick like some high-end sports bikes, but it's precise enough that you never second-guess your gear selection. The clutch is smooth, light, and easy to manipulate, forgiving for new riders yet reliable for seasoned riders carrying extra gear or navigating tricky terrain. The combination of engine and transmission creates a bike that feels approachable and confidence-inspiring, whether you're just starting out or looking for a dependable machine for long-term adventures. It's the type of setup that encourages exploration without overwhelming the rider. One of the first things you notice when you swing a leg over this bike is how light it feels. With a curb weight that's among the lowest in its class, the DR200SE is instantly approachable. Around town, it feels agile and responsive, making lane changes, tight turns, and navigating traffic effortless. The tall riding position provides a commanding view of the road ahead, and the ergonomics are designed for comfort. Even on longer rides, fatigue is minimized thanks to the upright seating position, balanced handlebars, and well-padded seat. This is particularly appreciated for riders who enjoy weekend excursions, rural rides, or commuting through stop-and-go traffic. The DR200SE invites you to ride without feeling weighed down. The suspension setup isn't exotic. Telescopic forks up front and a coil spring in the rear, but it is perfectly suited for the bike's dual-purpose nature. The travel is sufficient to absorb uneven surfaces, minor obstacles, and rough patches off-road, yet it remains composed and predictable on paved streets. The DR200SE doesn't seek to dominate extreme trails, but it gives you a sense of security when exploring less than perfect terrain. Stopping power comes from a front disc brake and a rear drum brake. While this combination won't win awards for raw stopping force, it's entirely adequate for the bike's weight and purpose, providing smooth, predictable braking that feels natural and controllable even on loose surfaces. Where the DR200SE truly shines is in its versatility. This isn't a bike that demands special riding gear or advanced technique to enjoy. City streets, rural roads, forest tracks, it doesn't flinch. Part of this confidence comes from the classic dual-sport wheel setup, a 21-inch front wheel paired with an 18-inch rear. This configuration allows the bike to roll over obstacles, loose gravel, and uneven surfaces while maintaining stable handling on tarmac. Whether you're weaving through urban traffic or exploring backcountry paths, the DR200SE adapts seamlessly to the conditions, giving you a sense of control and reassurance that few bikes in this segment can match. Practicality is another hallmark of this bike. Suzuki equips the DR200SE with features that matter in the real world. The electric starter eliminates the hassle of kick-starting, especially in colder climates. The headlight guard and engine protector demonstrate that the bike is built to take a little abuse without faltering. A robust rear carrier allows riders to carry essentials, whether it's luggage for weekend trips, tools for farm work, or daily items for commuting. These small details add up, making the DR200SE a bike you can rely on day in and day out. For riders who use their motorcycles for practical purposes as well as recreation, this attention to detail is invaluable. Fuel efficiency is another key benefit. The DR200SE has a reputation for delivering excellent mileage, meaning you spend more time riding and less time stopping at gas stations. This efficiency reduces ownership costs and further underscores the bike's design philosophy, practicality, reliability, and low stress. Riders looking for a bike that can handle both daily commuting and weekend adventures without excessive fuel consumption will appreciate the peace of mind this brings. Suzuki has stayed true to the DR200SE's roots in the 2026 iteration. The bike hasn't been overloaded with electronics, traction control systems, or multiple riding modes. This is intentional. The DR200SE's goal isn't to dazzle with screens or technology but to provide a pure, engaging riding experience that's dependable and easy to understand. In a market where complexity often equates to perceived value, the DR200SE stands out for choosing simplicity, doing the essentials right, and avoiding unnecessary complications. Price is another strong point. Depending on your region, the 2026 DR200SE is priced competitively, offering real dual-purpose capability without breaking the bank. Affordable purchase cost, combined with low maintenance requirements and excellent fuel economy, make it a smart choice for new riders, budget-conscious buyers, or anyone seeking a reliable secondary bike. You get a lot of functionality and riding pleasure without spending a fortune, which is a rare combination in today's motorcycle market. The bike's versatility is what truly sets it apart. It doesn't strive to be the fastest, most powerful, or most technologically advanced. Instead, it excels at being dependable, approachable, and fun to ride. Beginners love it for its friendly nature, while experienced riders respect its ability to perform reliably under a variety of conditions. This is a motorcycle that encourages exploration, builds confidence, and rewards thoughtful riding. It's honest, hardworking, and ready to go wherever you want to take it. Thanks for watching Bike Culture Hub. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the DR200SE, hit the like button, subscribe for more detailed bike reviews, and let us know in the comments, would you take this bike on your next adventure? We'll see you in the next video, ready to explore more motorcycles that offer a balance of practicality, performance, and fun.